Hey y'all, welcome back, and this is called the Wig Rewind series. Thank you so much again for suggesting Kamiyah. I really appreciate that you guys gave me feedback in my last video and that you did want to see more of this. So yes, keep on suggesting what wig you would like for me to revisit so I can come and review it for you guys so we can all know together if these wigs are still standing the test of time. So today I am going to be revisiting Outre's Kamiyah. If you do want to check out my overview, everything about that review will be linked in my description box as well. So Kamiyah is still eating straight out the pack. Like, I remember when I first reviewed this hair, I was so obsessed with this hair. And I see after all these years, it has not changed. But my taste and how I want my hairlines to kind of look has changed. So I will be plucking her. Again, she is a pre-plucked unit. You do not have to do this part if you don't want to. All I would suggest is you to kind of push her back with your hot comb. And if you want to add like a little wax stick to kind of give off that defined hairline look, you could. But obviously, as y'all can see, this is before I even started plucking her. So if you want to go for that look, you can. So Kamiyah's textured explained in my old review. She was textured, but she wasn't as silky. So she was on a very light yaki side. But I noticed as I was manipulating her and combing her out and kind of like just playing around with her, it felt like her texture got fuller. Like, she reminded me of how full Outre's niches get. So yeah, I like a nice little texture kinky wig, but that's not what I wanted. That's not how I wanted the wig to kind of react at the end. Straight out the pack, she did shed. Like, I literally ran my fingers through her. Strands was coming out, so she does shed, y'all. Now, tangling wise, yes, she did tangle up. The hairline before looked a little too round. I just wanted to I wanted to make her less uniformed and a lot more natural looking. So this is what she is giving after I finished. Plucking probably took about 20 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. I am going in with my cream foundation from Ruby Kisses. If I had to go back and redo this again, I would definitely cut some more of that lace off. I'm using my Nairobi because I did want to kind of, do a glueless look, and I was going to mold that down. But in the end, I end up using my even spray. So yeah, this is the moment when I realized, like, wait a minute, this hair is getting really full really fast. If you do like this type of texture, if you do like this type of fullness in your units, this is actually perfect. Again, these wigs are being mass produced, so one wig is definitely not going to be like the other. Overall, I feel like Kamiyah has definitely stood the test of time, even in 2024. Pros, of course, is that hair color. The pre-plucked lace is beginner friendly, so again, you don't have to pluck her as much as I did. The only suggestion that I would have, of course, I understand this is an older wig, so hopefully with new releases that they'll probably release, and they have those pre-attached elastic bands. I wish they were adjustable instead of just giving us like a piece of material. You want that stability in your glueless wear, so what better way than to have an adjustable elastic band inside of the wig. The only con that I did have, and I'm pretty sure I said the same con in my last video, if not, the cons that I did have this time, she did shed a lot, she did tangle, but it wasn't to the point where it's like, oh, y'all need a brush, y'all really need a brush. You can kind of finger comb her if you needed to get those kinks out. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I will be doing more. I think I got like three or four more wigs that I have to do that you guys suggested. If there are any other wigs you want me to go back and revisit, please leave them down in the comment section below. I really do like this series, y'all, so I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate the suggestions. So yes, keep them coming. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.